Nemki TV, mazingira yetu, uhai wetu.
My name is Ottmar Deubzer. I'm from the United Nations Institute for Training and Research, and we are here in Tanzania for several days to do training for the Tanzanian authorities in principle on how to differentiate between used electrical and electronic equipment and e-waste. A lot of used electrical equipment is coming into this country which escapes the checks in the countries of origin and as well escapes the checks in this country. And so with this used equipment also a lot of e-waste enters the country, which adds to the burden which is already there in the country from other end-of-life used electrical equipment, but also from new equipment when it reaches its end of life. So what we try to do here is we try to raise the awareness about the Basel Convention and the Basel Convention guideline, which try to prohibit or to avoid, they prohibit and they try to avoid the import of such hazardous wastes like e-waste into Tanzania. For this, it's very crucial that all the authorities in Tanzania involved in imports and also on the ports of the entry points of used equipment into the country have a common understanding and cooperate to identify what is actually used equipment and what is e-waste, which is not allowed according to the Basel Convention. So besides raising the awareness about the convention and its stipulation itself, we also wanted to try go into a practical part, which now is on learning on practical examples for inspectors in Tanzania to learn how exactly would you be in a position to tell, okay, is this piece of equipment which I find in a container or in another shipment, is this now actually used equipment which is still useful for Tanzanians to use, or is it just waste which adds to the burden and environmental and health burden arising from such equipment in Tanzania?
Nemki TV, mazingira yetu, uhai wetu.